Okay, what's your thoughts?
Oh, that actually smells like gummy bears.
It does?
It does.
Okay. Oh, was that a bubble? Hello, ladies, and gentlemen. This is Amber coming to you with the Frag View, coming to you with another video review. And today, as you can see, we have a special guest. We're going to review the new Native Candy Shop line. If you're interested in hearing our thoughts, just keep watching. Hello, family. Welcome back. Hey, welcome back. Welcome back, family. Hey, and if you are new to this channel, my name is Amber, and on this channel, we review fragrances and body care, and we sip a little tea from here and there. Yo, sis may go left, but it's okay. Just subscribe, give me the thumbs up, comment down below. Would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, we have a special guest in the building. My beautiful daughter, and her name is Amaya Ray, okay? Miss Amaya Ray, how old are you?
6.
You are 6 years old. What grade are you in?
First grade.
She is in the first grade, guys, okay? And if you all recall, she's been on my channel before, so she's not new to the channel, but she's a little bit, are you a little bit older?
I'm a little bit older than before.
Okay, cool. All right. So we're going to get into it. I wanted to invite her because we are going to review the new Native body wash line. You all know I love a good Native, okay? Well, we're going to review the new Candy Shop line. And who other to review a Candy Shop line than my child?
I want candy! I want candy!
The one that loves candy. So she's going to give us the real tea, her thoughts. I'm going to give you all some of my thoughts. I've been able to test 2 of them. Haven't been able to test the other 2, but we're going to get into it. But first, we have to address the elephant in the room.
Do you want to talk about the elephant in the room?
Wow. Okay.
There is an elephant in the room. What elephant? You know what that means?
What?
Like we had to talk about something.
Ah!
So, I know everybody is talking about the new Fenty Body Butta drop, okay? The Butta drop. And I just wanted to quickly give my thoughts before we go right into this Native line. But honey, 3 words. Light, light, and light. So it wasn't like as great as the limited edition one that just came out in the holiday collection or the holiday time. It wasn't as good. It wasn't like a cookie, but this is a vanilla, which you all know I had to get 2 because it's vanilla. Your sis loves a good vanilla, but it's very light. What do you think?
It smells like coconut.
Coconut? Yeah, it's a very light vanilla scent. The shimmer in there, I love that the shimmer is not as heavy as like a glotion. So I do enjoy that, but the scent is underwhelming, guys. So that's all I can say about it. So if you have it, cool. But if you don't have it, I wouldn't run to get it. Okay? Anyway, let's get into this candy shop, okay? We're gonna first try out gummy bears.
Gummy bears!
Gummy.
Okay, and that's what the packaging looks like. Do you like gummy bears?
I do.
Have you ever had gummy bears?
I have.
What's your thoughts on gummy bears?
They taste like so sugary.
So sugary?
They taste like fruit.
You have to be louder.
They taste like fruit. They taste like sugary and stuff like that.
Okay. Do you have a favorite gummy bear color? Like, do you like the red one or the green one.
I like the green one
Best? Bester? Best? Okay, what's your thoughts?
Oh, that actually smells like gummy bears.
It does?
It does.
Okay. Oh, was that a bubble? I do enjoy this. I test this out in the shower. This was one of the ones I tested out in the shower. And it's light. And you all know your sis loves a very prominent, heavy, fragrance-y scent. But it is light. But it's good. It definitely does give you gummy bears. I feel like it gives you like a floral gummy bear, if that makes sense. But it's fruity. It's good, but it's light. It's not heavy. But I do enjoy it. I do enjoy it. Okay? Moving on. Any other thoughts on that one?
Ooh, it really like smells like gummy bears so much.
Yeah, it does. Okay, moving on. Next up, we have strawberry and vanilla taffy.
Ooh,
That sounds good. And this is what the packaging looks like, you all. And I'm not a taffy person. Like, I know that there's like Laffy Taffy. Have you ever had a Laffy Taffy?
I have.
You like Laffy Taffies?
I don't really know.
You don't really know? I don't really like if I had to pick a candy, it would not be a Laffy Taffy. Like, I wouldn't go out and get a Laffy Taffy. But this does give me definitely a taffy smell.
It does smell like taffy.
It does? Does it smell like strawberry?
Strawberry taffy. It smells like that.
Okay. But this is like a old school taffy packaging. Like, remember when, I don't know, remember when things used to be like $1 at the corner, like not even $1, like a penny or 10 cents. I think when I was growing up, it was 10 cents at that time. Like 5 or 10 cents, you can have like little candies that you could pick up and.
You know about all the new snacks before they even hit the street. All the bootleg snacks.
At the corner store. Do we even have corner stores anymore? I don't know. But yeah, this is okay. I have not tried this in shower, but I don't know. I'm excited to try it. It does smell good out of the cap. So, moving on. Next up, we have sour berry belts.
Ooh, I love those.
Now, I do love these too. When I tell you, I love a sugary type of candy. And this is like right up my alley.
When you bite into it, cream filling shoot all in your mouth, glitter.
Okay.
That smells so good.
Mm-hmm. This gives me like a raspberry, blueberry type of smell. Like a.
Kind of smells like the ones I had before.
Oh, really? And the picture definitely gives you. I love the picture, right? Yes, I love this candy. Again, I'm a very much a sugary, like those sugar straws. What other sugar candy do I like? Like Sour Patch Kids. What other sugar candy is there?
That kind of candy makes me want to eat it.
It makes you want to eat it? Like the ropes, the pixie sticks or the pixie. I love sugar. Okay, like that. Yeah, I like a good sugar. Like a gummy bear, that might not be my style, but sugar candy, I get zapped with
But
that.
if you're watching this, do not eat so much.
Don't eat this. This is not for eating. This is just for shower. This is a bath wash.
But just don't eat candy that much.
Oh, don't eat candy that much. Why don't eat candy that much?
Because it'll give you a tummy ache.
It gives you a tummy ache, okay? We just spilled some tea for you.
Everything stops for tea.
Yeah, it gives you a tummy ache. Don't eat that much candy. How much candy should you eat?
You should eat like one a day.
One a day. Okay, a day. What's your favorite candy?
My favorite candy is like Gummy Bears or Sour Patch Kids.
Gummy Bears or Sour Patch Kids? I thought you liked chocolate.
Well, I do like chocolate.
You like chocolate?
Chocolate! Chocolate! Chocolate!
What kind of chocolate do you like?
Kit Kats like my grandma does.
Oh, Grandma likes a Kit Kat. Is there any other candy?
That's pretty it.
That's pretty much it. Okay. Amaya Ray wants to start a YouTube channel herself. And what's your intro for the YouTube channel? We can go left.
What's up? What's up?
We can go left.
What's up? What's up?
We can go left.
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 What's up?
So we can go left real quick. What's your intro again?
What's up? What's up? What's up?
Okay, and what do you cover on your channel?
Usually Roblox.
Roblox, like doing reviews about Roblox? Okay. I saw that you were taping me while I was working. And you were showing some of your Christmas toys or items. What'd you get for Christmas? Just tell us what you got for
I
Christmas.
got like a baby doll.
Okay.
Her name's Rosie.
Okay.
And I also got like a Barbie airplane.
A Barbie airplane. Okay.
And like a Barbie camper.
Barbie camper. Here we go. You had a good Christmas?
I did.
You had a big Christmas. Okay. But last and certainly not least on this native line from the candy shop, we have sweet cinnamon hearts. Okay? Now, I'm going to tell you guys, this took me back. What you think?
I'm not really a fan of that.
Hated it.
You don't like that one? Okay, this took me back. Okay, this took me back to like elementary school when I put this on. Elementary school, like, you know, we used to send the little heart candies to one another, and we wrote the person's name. Like, kind of how they do. They're nowadays the filling out the candy and Valentine's Day thing is fancy now. Back then, it wasn't that fancy. But it put me in the mind of that. I don't know why that memory brought up, like, it just flashed me back to that. But I'm going to tell you, even though she don't like it, I actually enjoyed this. And I don't know, but I don't enjoy this candy. Now, I don't like this candy in real life. But the scent of this, I don't know if it was the sweetness it gave. I did enjoy this. Like, I did not mind this, which I was very shocked. And maybe because, again, it was on the sweeter side. It gave me like a sweet, spicy smell. I really enjoyed this. I enjoyed this. I know some people don't like it, but clearly some people don't like it, but I did like it. Okay. Anyway, let's rank. I want you to rank like the one that you like the best to the least. Like, which one out of this line did you like more?
Okay, so which one I liked more was like the
This one?
this one.
Okay. So the sour berry belt. She liked this one. So this is number 1 for our ranking. Okay.
And this would be number 2.
Okay. The gummy bears will be number 2. Okay.
And probably this would be number 3.
Really? You said you didn't like it.
Well, I don't like cinnamon,
Mhm.
but I like the smell. I don't like cinnamon.
Oh, okay. Was she just influenced, guys? Okay. Well, this was her number 3, which wasn't expecting. So that's the sweet cinnamon hearts, number 3.
And I think this one would be my number 3 too.
That would be number 3 too. So there would be a number 4.
No.
No number 4. How does that work?
Well, this would be
Well, that wasn't even in the ranking. This was like an elephant in the room type of thing. Why is there not a number 4? We got 2 3s.
2 3.
Interesting ranking. Okay, so then this is a number 3 too. Okay, so the strawberry vanilla Taffy. All right. Well, that's Amaya Ray's ranking. That's what it is. All right. Is there anything else you would like to say to the family? You don't know. No? You want to tell them where to find you on your invisible channel? The shade. All right, family. Thank you guys so much. Make sure you subscribe. Give me the thumbs up. Comment down below. Would love to get to know you and meet you. And hopefully you all can enjoy some of these native products, honey. Candy Shop. There wasn't anyone that I did not like. So this was a good one, okay? Until next time, family, you all be good to yourself. Give yourself some grace. And if no one has told you that you are more than enough, yo, sis just did. Bye, family. We love you. Bye.